In XLIS, learning doesn't only happen in a classroom. To provide more fun and engaging opportunities for students, we often take them outside for field trips, and they love them. We are P6, and our current unit of inquiry is about energy transformation and how renewable or clean energy affect people's life and the environment. After several weeks of inquiry, students have built a solid understanding of the important concepts about energy. We first unpack the unit-specific words and phrases using tools like the Freer model and the picture word inductive model, which help them build a language foundation. Then, we explored each line of inquiry and the concepts together by doing fun experiments, watching videos, reading scientific articles, and using visible thinking routines for reflection. We also incorporated math into this unit, focusing on measurement and the Cartesian plane.
So in this unit, we learn different forms of energy, such as geothermal energy, electric energy, potential energy, kinetic energy, and chemical energy. And we also learn how can we reduce the energy consumptions. For example, we can use the renewable energy without burning fossil fuels, and we could also take some small actions in our daily life to save the energy.
Renewable energy can be used again and again. These are the natural resources, so it wouldn't run out. Second, renewable energies are safer to use.
One example of energy using material is the battery. The battery keeps the energy and uses it when the car is moving. Another example of energy using material is the electric powertrain. The electric powertrain can be divided in three main parts: the rear traction motor with electronics, the front traction motor with electronics, and the battery packs.
Electrical cars convert about 80 to 90% of the electrical energy into movements. Gasoline cars only convert about 20 to 30% of the gas into movement. The rest is lost as heat. This database shows that actually renewable energy reduces consumptions.
I like it because we could see different types of cars and how they work. And I like how the cars have renewable energy, so it helps clean the air. Something I learned about this unit is there are lots of different steps to making cars, and that you can use aluminum foil to make different parts.
Today, I learned that when car is damaged, people send it here to fix it. First, we need to sand it to make sure there's no dust and sand in it. Second, we put it in an aluminum part to make different shape that is same what it looks like before. And then we paint it so that it looks like before, and then we heat it so we can make sure it is stick on the cars. Last, we polish it so that it looks like before and looks shiny.
I am here with our Year 6 XLIS students in the NIO showroom at the moment, but before this we went to the factory for our students to learn about how these fantastic electric cars assembled, how to change the battery, and just how NIO is pushing for green energy. This aligns perfectly with the current unit. Our students have everything they've learned about. They can see how it actually works in practice and how innovation has led to a better and greener planet. It's been a fantastic experience for our kids.
We highly value the real-life experiences for students and want to support our young learners in becoming real-life problem solvers by making connections to the real-life context. As teachers, we are so happy to see that during this field trip, our students displayed very good social, communication, research, thinking, and self-management skills. And this experience is really meaningful and powerful. And of course, thank you, NIO, for having us.